Hello guys and welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to discuss about multidimensional arrays. So what is the multidimensional arrays? Multidimensional array is an array of arrays. So ibig sabihin, in this example we have this array with the array inside of that. So multidimensional arrays are useful when you want to store data as a tabular form, like a table with rows and columns. To create a two-dimensional array, add its array within its own set of curly brace. So we have this, as you can see in this example, we have two arrays in array with separated with comma. So now the number row is now the number na variable is now an array with two arrays as its elements. So in accessing to the array in multidimensional, we have to use the two square brackets. So it means to access that the multidimensional, we use this double or the two square brackets. First, the index of the first iteration, and then the second is the iteration of inside of that array. So it means that if we print this 1 and 2, ibig sabihin we need to check how many arrays or commas within. So in this case we have 2, so 0 and 1. So dalawang, so this is 2. So it means nandito na yung count niya. So next is we have this index 2. So this is index 0, 1 and 2. So we're going to check the output. Okay, comment muna natin. Okay, we need to check this. Okay, so the output is 7 because this is 0 and 1 for this first square bracket, and then the second is if nandito na yung ano niya cursor 0, 1, 2, and then the output is 7. Next is we can change the element value by accessing the element, and then we could assign that the new value to that. So instead of 7, so we output 9. So we're going to see that. Okay, so the output is 9 because we changed the element value to 9. Okay, and then to access all of the elements, or to print all the elements of the multidimensional array, we okay, we need to run. Okay, so ayan, so we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is how to look the multidimensional array inside. We are using the for loop. We use nested for loop for this. If you have question, let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and click the notification bell, and see you in this video guys for more upcoming tutorials. See you.